Hengduan Mountain is located in southwest China and the northernmost part of the Hengduan Mountains. It is also one of the few snow mountains named after birds in China. Local people once called it the mountain over which even the eagle can't fly. The snow-capped and majestic Hengduan Mountain has an altitude of 6,168 meters at the highest point, and towers above the 10 5,500 meter high peaks around it. Hengduan Mountain is a remnant of a geological movement, and with the rise of the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau, it has become a huge mountain, towering above the surrounding area. There are snow mountains, wetland, forests, grasslands, glaciers, and other ecosystems. Due to the steep terrain, narrow roads, high altitude, coldness, and oxygen deficiency, it is called the highest and most precipitous mountain in Sichuan and Tibet area. In the 1950s, Chinese people, with sweat, blood, and even lives, built this miraculous mountain road. Hengduan Mountain, which is high and precipitous with many glaciers, gained its fame because of this road. In 2017, another 7-kilometer long road was built here, including the Hengduan Mountain Tunnel, with an average elevation of 4,300 meters. It is the highest highway tunnel in the world. For this mountain, that once even the eagle couldn't fly over, it now only takes a 10-minute drive to traverse the mountain.